souls, I shall rule for all eternity. Serve me and save the riches beyond measure. I can save you now. There is no escape. Your end shall be my beginning. You shall behold your fate. Your destiny. Your souls are mine! To forfeit your souls. Death is only
Hey, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I would have enjoyed this interview a lot more if I had gotten a cup of